Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Desiree and I'm really excited because I feel like I have something really special for you today. Today is the new moon and I thought I would guide you through a new moon meditation focusing on the heart's desire and creating a life of your dreams. Meditation is a major tool in creating a space of inspiration and creativity. And I'm not talking about artistic ability, not that that's not included, but I'm talking about creating a life of your dreams, like a real obtainable life of your dreams. So find your favorite place to practice. It can even be in the comfort of your bed, it can be in your car, someplace where you can have a few moments to yourself. And when you find an upright posture that is comfortable for you, go ahead and close your eyes. Just notice these first few breaths and just use these first few breaths to get into a space, a new space, right? You're walking into this space of meditation, removing yourself from where you were moments before, setting up a new intention, a new realm of energy. Take a look through these walls within your body, within your mind, within your heart. And I'm going to ask you to draw your attention into that heart space. Now go ahead and take a look around. And I want you to be as honest with yourself as possible. What is it that lights a fire inside of you? What is it that draws great inspiration? What excites you so much to just not question and just do? You can answer these questions now. You can put them on the back burner to answer them later and just let them simmer here now. And if you don't have an answer, that's totally fine too. But the point of this space that you're cultivating within yourself right now through this meditation practice is to get as clear as possible so these answers can start to come through. Return your focus back onto your breath and breathe in as if you can feel these things, these answers that you've come up with in your entire body. You feel that inspiration at the tips of your toes, riding up the inner and outer edges of your legs, encasing the front, back, and sides of the body, rushing down the length of the arms onto the fingertips, up through the throat and the neck, and then to wash up and over the face and head. use this practice to turn your sound on a bit louder to your personal insights. I have this visualization of you holding up a glass against the wall to hear what's on the other side of that wall, and that wall being your heart. With every rise and fall of your chest, the energy around your heart is beaming bigger and brighter and expanding out past your skin into your whole essence that you carry with you throughout the world. What inspires and drives you is so unique to yourself. And allow yourself to share that with the world around you. If your focus is not already on the breath, then turn it there. And on your next exhalation, press all of the air out. On your next inhale, I want this to be a longer, slower breath in, and visualize the word inspiration. And then on your next exhale, make it slow and long, and visualize the word creation. Inhale to inspire. Exhale to create. Inhale to inspire. Exhale to create. Take a few more rounds of breathing like this. If there are other words that inspire you more or that align more, then add them in to this practice. You can stay here in this mood that you've created for yourself and allow this all to ruminate within you. If you need to come out with me right now, on your next inhale, breathe in a little deeper. Exhale a little deeper. When you're ready, gently open up your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. If you have any comments, questions, feedback, I would love to hear from you. Happy new moon and enjoy your day.